morning, students. Today I will teach about wildlife of India. The term wildlife includes animals of any habitat in nature. Wild animals are non-domesticated animals and include both vertebrate and invertebrate. Okay? Then these are some wildlife reserves in India. Okay? Next, our country is home to tigers, lions, leopards, snow leopards, pythons, wolves, foxes, bears, crocodiles, rhinoceroses, camels, wild dogs, monkeys, snakes, antelope species, deer species, and varieties of bison. Okay. The next, the Indian Board of Wildlife IBWL was constituted in 1952 to suggest means of protection, conservation and management of wildlife to the government. Okay. The next, biosphere resources. Biosphere resources are protected areas of land coastal environments wherein people are an integral component of the system. Then these are biosphere research in India. Okay. The next, the Indian government has established 18 biosphere reserves in India, which protect larger areas of natural habitat and often include one or more national parks, preserves along with the buffer zones that are open to some economic uses. Okay. Then 11 of the 18 biosphere reserves, Gulf of Mannar, Nanda Devi, the Nilgiris, Nakrek, Pachamahi, Simlipal, Sundarbans, Agastya Malai, Great Nicobar, Kanchenjunga and Amarkandak of India fall under the list of Man and Biosphere Program of UNESCO. Okay. Next and last one, biosphere reserves and state. First one, Ajanakmar, Amarkandak, state, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh. Then second one, Agastya Malai, state, Kerala. Third one, Dibru Saikhowa, state, Assam. Fourth one, Dibang, state, Arunachal Pradesh. And fifth one, Great Nicobar, state, Andaman and Nicobar Island. Sixth one, Gulf of Mannar, State Tamil Nadu. Seventh one, Kutch, State Gujarat. Eighth one, Kanchenjunga, State Sikkim. Ninth one, Manas, State Assam. And 10th one, Nanda Devi, State Uttarakhand. 11th one, the Nilgiris, State Tamil Nadu. 12th one, Nakrek, State Meghalaya. 13th one, Pachmahi, State Madhya Pradesh. 14th one, Simlipal, State Odisha. 15th one, Sundarbans, State West Bengal. 16th one, Cold Desert, State Himachal Pradesh. 17th one, Shashachalam Hills, State Andhra Pradesh. And last one, Panna, State Madhya Pradesh. Okay? Geography second lesson over. Thank you, students. One more thank you.